sound of afternoon is barely something heard. A chair moves on the wooden floor, a page turns without words. The light is falling sideways down, like it's learned how. This is the sound of afternoon, not a song, not quite a tune, just the day slowing down without a reason found. If the world is out of view, let it be, it's nothing new. This is the sound of afternoon, staying a little longer. Coffee cups are halfway done, time forgets where it was going. Every thought is taking space without the need for knowing. No one's asking us to move, so we don't. This is the sound of afternoon, not a song, not quite a tune, just the day slowing down without a reason found. If the world is out of view, let it be, it's nothing new. This is the sound of afternoon, staying a little longer. No rush in the air, no wait anywhere, even silence feels like it belongs here. This is the sound of afternoon, soft and white and passing through. Every second learns to rest, nothing more, nothing less. When the light begins to bend and the day forgets its end, this is the sound of afternoon.